What's up, YouTube? Rohit back with another POV drive. Today we got the Hellcat out on the highway on the way to the gym. Got a bunch of traffic in front right now, so like we literally cannot go anywhere. Got a semi on one side, he's passing. You can see like everybody's just all over the place right now. I don't understand this at all, but I don't want to get behind a semi, so always moving. Finally, jeez, this guy took forever to move with that box truck. Ain't really a semi, but it kind of is. So we're just chilling right now. Not really. Well, you guys can hear the whine. Yep. I gotta love that sound. I got Hyundai in front, semi. I saw a Mustang earlier, but he didn't want to do anything. You know, Mustangs are slow, so we ain't even gonna try to bully him. Well, that's a GT500, because I had one of those, so I know exactly what those things are. You gotta get the red eye for that. I can't do that, so that's where my place is whenever GT500 comes. I gotta step aside for a moment. I'm not gonna lie. I can't do anything about it, but I can definitely get a little 5.0, even a boosted 5.0. I'm pretty sure if I like lose my weight, yeah, I can beat a boosted 5.0. Unless you like got 1,000 in it, then maybe not. Probably not. Definitely not. I'm not gonna say maybe. Definitely not with 1,000 if it's a 5.0 with, you know, Whipple and like super built motor, whatever. But if you just put a Whipple and you just get 700 something, then it'll be close, I think. But I'm still gonna win. I'm not gonna lie. So now we are about to pass because these people are holding up this lane. Thank you. And move that car out of here. Ain't nobody want to sit behind you the entire drive, buddy. All right, let's see if we got any. Should we just do a little bit of something for y'all? Yep, had to do a little poll for y'all in the back watching this, you know. I know you guys love watching these POVs when there's a poll because you just, you know, you can hear that whine just go crazy. I'm not gonna do too much because, you know, if you know, you know, around this area, yeah, we ain't gonna do too much. You know, there's a dead deer in the road. That's one of the scary things out here. There's like deer everywhere, and you gotta be careful. Like one time I was driving literally on the road around here, and a deer just like ran in the middle of the road. I was going 80, no lie. And I was just like, had to stop super quick. Thankfully, those 6-piston Brembos on my wide body Challenger I had did the work that it needed to. Kept me protected on that. But that's history now. You know what's crazy? I know where it is. It's actually at a dealership in Springfield. Like it literally is in by my school. It's kind of funny. But we got a little Prius, little baby Prius. We got a nice open stretch right here. Oh, yep. When you hear that, you know what it is. Y'all know what it is now. We're gonna chill for a moment and observe. We are like observing our prey, you know. That's basically what we're doing. We're just gonna chill for a moment. But we got this truck in front. I don't really want to get behind him, so I'm gonna pass around. Pickup truck. Pickup trucks always are like all over this area every time. One thing you gotta know about Missouri, you got pickup trucks and pickup trucks anywhere, actually, even Arkansas. But not a lot of Hellcats where I am, which is unfortunate, but I don't know, maybe it's a good thing that there's not many. Maybe I'm more unique, you know, in an area where there's not many Hellcats. Buy a Hellcat. Genius. And we got a Chevy right here. Impala. still gonna get beat with your Impala. You know, the old Impalas were nice. Like, weren't they V8s? I think they were. I don't know for sure. I don't know much about the old Chevys, but I think they were a V8 because a lot of people liked them. That's for sure. That guy has no mirror. That Explorer right there. Oh no, he does have a mirror. I was just behind way too much. It looked like he was enough clearance so I could see his mirror, but yeah, he has a mirror. I don't know why I said that. This guy has an interesting wrap on their car. A little gold edge wrap. That is a tiny mirror. Is it just me, or does that Ford Explorer's mirror look smaller than most? I'm not sure. Maybe I'm just seeing things and I don't look at Explorers enough. Well, we got this person with the Mitsubishi. This person's trying to pass on the right. Really, buddy? You ain't going nowhere. Look at that gap. You can't make that. And you aren't coming in front of me, and I can tell you that right now. I know you ain't coming in front of me. Yeah, come behind again. Gonna have to stay in the line because we got like 1,000 people in front. Actually, this Mitsubishi's like taking up most of it because I think there's quite a bit of room. But I think I got a little bit of space. That Whine is just whining away the whole time. Oh, it's a semi or something. I'm not going to get over yet. Alright, this is like a short video because I'm just doing a little highway POV, really. Oh, I should not have come on this side. Where is this Tesla going? Come back here, Tesla. You ain't going away that quick. Let me in. I need to get behind the Tesla. This is my exit. No, don't let the semi in front. Don't let semi... Oh my God. People just leave so much gaps. Let everybody in front. This guy's from Texas, too. Oh, there's a Challenger over there with the shaker hood going that way. Blue one. Little Challenger. Anyway, we're gonna get off the highway now, so let's keep off this highway. And I'm in normal mode right now because I'm just trying to chill. I'm not trying to lose so much gas on this drive, you know, like taking all that track mode all the time. But yeah. Wow, it's always sandy, this road. Gonna get my car all dirty. Oh well, it is what it is. I'm gonna turn this way. I'm gonna turn this way. No, I can't go. Keep the window open so you guys can hear. That sounds so good. That supercharger Whine. Anyway, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna end it here. I'm at my destination, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.